Hey, Stu Sales teams, we are here at our brand new listing and we are in the heart of the Junction. We are bringing this spectacular 2-bedroom, 3-bath with a huge den condo townhouse to the market, and we are literally right in the Junction. You saw me walk right off the street. I just have to walk to the corner, make a left, and the whole Junction's right there. Noto, my favorite Italian restaurant. You can go watch some sports games at the Alpine, Full Stop Coffee, Caribou Gifts, Mama's Market, all the shops, Petty Fine Foods. This is an amazing, amazing location. Because you know what? It's great to get downtown. Honestly, I don't know why people are driving downtown on that Gardner that's closed now to 2 lanes. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you're at the Up Express. $5, 7 minutes, you're downtown Union Station. Go watch the Leafs, go watch the Blue Jays. If you work downtown, it is amazing. So this condo townhouse is in a great location. And now I'm gonna take you for a personal tour. So hey everyone, I'm lounging here. Oh my gosh, it's so comfy in this huge den. This is such a rare thing. You're not gonna find this in most condo townhouses. That's why this property is so unique. Look at the size of this den. This is like extra space, great TV room, hang out with friends, play games. We've got a gorgeous prime bedroom, huge walk-in closet, go shopping, tons of room for your clothes, beautiful bathroom, a great second bedroom. You know what? It's a perfect home office, or my client has his Peloton, he does it there, but it's got a built-in Murphy that falls down, have guests over. You've got another 4-piece on this floor, a 2-piece on the main floor, great, cool kitchen. It actually has a dining room, it has a pantry, a living room, and an island, and a gorgeous kitchen, high-end finishes, gorgeous, spectacular hardwood floors throughout. So many really beautiful, exquisite finishes that you're not gonna find in any of the new builds today. We've got a parking, we've got locker. As I mentioned before, we're right in the heart of the Junction. This is a great way to get to the market. Perfect starter home, stop renting. You know me, I always say stop renting because your money's just going down the toilet when you can buy this gorgeous place. So go to StuSells.ca, see all the photos, the videos, and give me, Stu, a call for a personal tour. But I'm gonna lie back and watch some TV now.